Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy in your home. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Atulesh Kumar Chaurasia. I am working HOD and Senior Consultant Dermatologist in Narayani Hospital, Beguns, Nepal. As I told, I am working as a dermatologist since 30 years. Today I am going to focus our common skin problem. Most of our young adults and especially the female, they are suffering from the acne vulgaris and the melasma. These all are the very common dermatosis. We always encounter those type of the cases in our society. Acne vulgaris, it is one of the most common dermatosis in the adolescents age group. Actually, it is not a disease. It is a normal phenomenon of the human body. What happened in the teenage group? Our androgen hormone that started to produce, our adrenal gland that started to produce the androgen hormone, and that androgen hormone stimulated the sebaceous gland, and that sebaceous gland started to produce the sebum. There are so many inflammatory processes going on, and results manifesting the acne vulgaris as the form of the papules, pustules, nodulocystic acne like this. It's the common age group of the acne is the 50 to 25 years of age group. If you will not treat the acne, if you will not cure that acne, then of course our face might become very disfigurement, and of course in any age of group we don't like to any type of the lesions or any type of the disfigurement in our face. My aim to understand to you, my aim to say it is not a disease, it is one of the normal phenomenon. It's common in the young age group, so we should not think it is a disease. Suppose in old age groups our hair is becoming white, it is also not a disease. It is a factor of the age group. Likewise, acne is the factor of the age group. If you will not treat, then of course we will get the disfigurement or permanent type of the scar in our face. And melasma, I would like to focus in melasma because most of the females are suffering from the melasma. It is the normal phenomenon also during pregnancy, during lactation period. The female who are having the irregular menstruations, any type of hormonal disorders, hypothyroidism, hyper and hypothyroidism, other type of the metabolic disorder also manifest the melasma. Melasma, that is the black type of the macular lesions, especially over the face, malar area of the face, forehead, chin, or means facial lesions are affected, because in the face the number of melanocytes is the 2900 plus minus 249 per millimeter square, and face is the exposed area. Sunlight is also one of the major causes to aggravate the melasma, and apart from that other aggravating factors means few drugs, that stress, if we are not getting the sound sleep, there are so many factors. What happens in melasma? It's also the asymptomatic disease, only the cosmetic disfigurement. In the case of melasma, the number of melanocytes had been increased and they started to produce more melanin, and that melanin transferred to keratinocytes, and our face is becoming black rather than the surrounding skin. To prevent that melasma, first of all we have to prevent from the ultraviolet light. And as being a dermatologist, our main problem is that most of the patients are coming to us, they already tried so many type of the topical steroids, and by that topical steroids they already developed the atrophy of the skin, telangiectasia, very thinning skin, hypertrichosis, means there is a hairs of the skin wrinkling. So I I would like to request you, if you are suffering from the melasma, acne, any type of the lesions, please consult your nearest dermatologist. If you will consult the dermatologist, of course dermatologist is not going to harm your skin. Most of the patients, most of the people, 90% or more than the 90% of the people are, first of all, they are just buying few topical medicines from the medical shops, from the beauty parlor, and they are applying. And we are getting mainly already cases are becoming already worse, and those cases are actually we are getting. So I would like to request that melasma, acne it is the one of the normal phenomenon of the body. We can control, but people should come at the time to the any dermatologist. If you are having any question, any query regarding the acne, regarding the melasma, or apart from the those two diseases, any other type of the disorder, any skin disorder, my mail ID dratulesh@gmail.com, dratulesh@gmail.com. Freely you can mail me. Within 24 hours I will reply you as much as possible, try to sort out your problem. Or again and again I am repeating you, if you are having any dermatological disorder, please don't buy any medicine from the medical shop, and just consult any qualified dermatologist which is nearby you. Thank you very much.